Oh my gosh. At the lights, take a right. It's so loud. That's so loud. It's even louder now, man. What are you doing?
I ordered some mufflers.
Oh, those sleeves are actual tips.
No, so they bolt on. Is that what you mean?
Yeah, they bolt. So they bolt on, eh?
Yeah.
Gotcha.
But that is a tip. It is all the tip.
You put it in yourself, or you got a shop to do
No,
it?
I had to do it myself.
No, what? How'd you get it underneath? You just like jack it up real high?
Yeah, just jacked the back up as high as I could. Actually, I had to jack up the back, took the old exhaust off. And
Yeah.
I had to put it down on the ground, jack up the front.
Yeah.
So I had to take the mids out because the mids went from a 3-inch down to a 2.5 inch. So I had to cut. I brought that into a shot. That was the one thing. I brought that into a shot, cut the 2.5 inch off.
Oh, so it's 3 out.
Put 3 of them all.
Oh, there you go. It'll breathe good now.
It's all 3, and that's why it's like I always
There
have to
you
go
go.
for a tune though.
You have to go to AGP.
Yeah.
They'll net you another 20.
Yeah, that's
For
what
sure.
I'm thinking. It is. The Diablo tune is for a cat, right? So it's just not quite.
Oh, they'll dial you in nicely. Are you done with the mods, ish?
No.
You gotta. Yeah, I would. What's next then?
Well, I'm gonna do the 6.4.
Oh,
intake
you gotta wait for
manifold,
that. Yeah.
And then I was gonna do next year. I'm doing the rear end, the Scat Pack rear end.
So the rear end, yeah, it should be good. So once you get the intake, you do your tune.
Yeah.
And they'll dial you in real nice. What made you choose MBRP?
Canadian.
Oh, that's all I know. Canada Day.
Well, the whole idea was support local.
Yeah.
And then when I was doing my research, I found these guys right up in Huntsville.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah, right.
that's awesome. How much?
1,600 for the system.
1,600? That's not bad.
That's not bad.
That's not
Well,
bad.
that's real good, really.
Yeah.
It's all stainless steel. So and then the valves are gone.
Yeah.
So they bolt up to the sides. So
Yeah.
they can still move and stuff. And
Yeah.
whatnot, but there's no valves.
Oh, it's good.
The cold start is f***ing phenomenal.
Okay, I gotta get it.
Ridiculous.
I got a little spot over there
And
for.
it was just like, it's going the wrong way.
It keeps going louder and louder and
Oh,
louder.
this should quieten it down. I started up there. I was like, holy crap.
Yeah, once you get it tuned, I think you're gonna be really happy with it.
So I got some MagnaFlows, 4 masters. Big MagnaFlows that are straight through type.
Yeah.
So it should go back on to
Yeah.
where the original ones were.
Yeah.
But just better breathing.
Yeah.
They're not chambered. So it should help a little bit with it, because it's got a little bit of rasp to it and stuff, so it just needs to be fine-tuned that way is what I want.
That's crazy.
Hopefully it quietens it down a little bit too.
No, you'll be fine. You'll be fine. Yeah, looks like you're getting some blow-by out the exhaust.
No, it's
Or is that-
what I'm hoping is the fucking amount of grease that they have put in this stuff. It was like someone did it by hand.
Yeah.
It was just what I think it is that so that you can see if there's any leaks in anything.
Yeah.
It's all multi-piece.
Yeah.
So I think that's why they did that.
What I've been told is like once it's fresh, it's gonna start tuning itself. Like it
it
changes, right?
Yeah, you can just hear it in the way, because it's when you let off throttle or anything below 2,000 RPM right now, it's kind of rough.
Yeah.
Not rough, but once you get above that, it's nasty.
Oh yeah, we're gonna.
Real loud, it's too loud for me.
Jeez. That was nice of you. You just.
Well, after the car show last weekend, she didn't like me too much.
Oh
The
yeah.
old couple that was sitting right behind the car when I started it.
Oh, it sounds. Oh my gosh. Take a ride at these lights.